Hey y'all, welcome back to Cajun Country Living.
Over the past 48 hours, it has been a whirlwind here on the CCL homestead. From storms, to power outages, to tornado warnings, to torrential downpours that I don't even think that it's rained this much in years. So much in such a little amount of time.
It rained so fast and so hard that the ground didn't even hardly soak it up. It was mostly just runoff. It was the wildest thing. Kind of like Forrest Gump, you know. Had that sideways rain, big old fat rain, every kind of rain that you can imagine. And the winds, it blew things all over the place around here. I know it wasn't a tornado that hit here, but the wind gusts were incredible.
But I just think that things are not supposed to be set up very easy for us. I think that's just life. I think that the world has a way of being like, oh, you lined up concrete to come and there was no rain inside? Well, let me just help you out there, because that left us with 24 hours to get a whole entire setup on our 30 by 42 foot porch.
Jim and Lydia's going to pour concrete. Well, let's get this big bucket of obstacles and dump in their laps. See if they can worm their way around it.
What? So lucky for us, we did have a little bit of help along the way. And y'all, it has just been wild around here. But we can say that we are currently standing on our new slab.
We were successful.
So without further ado, here's our past 48 hours. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cajun Country Living.
We have concrete on the way. And we've been setting this up for a while, and the stars finally aligned. So we got to get everything formed up and get this place with some gray rock underneath it, because y'all know as well as I do, at the end of this year, we're going to have a little matrimonial ceremony here, and we can't be having people stand out here in the grass and the mud. We got to give them a big gray rock to stand on. There might be a little boot scooting involved. Can't do that on grass. So we're going to get rolling on this project today.
And whenever Jim just said that we have concrete coming in 21 hours, and there is no forms. There's no 2x4s down. There's absolutely nothing. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. So hopefully we're going to be able to get this done in time.
Hey, we got a stack of 2x4s and 3 barn cats. What could go wrong?
Whenever I tell y'all that we live in the backwoods, we live far in the backwoods, which means that whenever we leave our home, we're on the road for hours at a time. And if there's one thing that we can count on during those long stretches, it's a clear view of the road ahead. This is the Redtiger Clearview 70, 4K front camera, and 2.5K rear camera. Even in the brightest sun or darkest nights, it gives us a crystal clear footage. I love how easy it is to use, smooth touchscreen, built-in settings, and with the 5.8 Wi-Fi, you can download footage straight to your phone in just seconds. And y'all, check this out. It's got dual Sony sensors and night vision tech, so whether it's headlights, taillights, or license plate, everything stays sharp. And whenever we're parked, the low light parking guide kicks in with time-lapse recording. So even at night, we've got a full peace of mind. And with our hands full, we have no problem because the voice control makes it easy. Just tell it what you need. If you're ready for a dash cam that's tough enough for Cajun Country Life, check out the Redtiger Clearview 70. Click the link that's in the description to grab yours today. Thank you, Redtiger, for sponsoring this video. It's probably a good thing that, Kyle, you don't wear camo shorts because...
Twins.
Twinning. Oh, where was my manners? We have Kyle here with us today. How inconsiderate of me. I didn't even didn't even stop to pause for a moment to introduce everybody to Kyle. Kyle is my nephew. He's helped us out in the past on various projects. He found himself with a little spare time on his hands and was bored, and he knew that it's just me and Lydia. We have things to get done. We have a punch list. We have a short amount of time to get these things done. And he's like, hey, rather than be bored at home, doing things around my place I really don't want to do, instead of being bored, I'll come over and help y'all out with some of y'all's stuff, and then maybe in the future, when we're bored, we can go help him out with some of his stuff.
I don't think anybody has to wonder if y'all are related or not. Look at me. Smile. The only way they're going to be able to tell the difference is the shorts and the shoes.
Well, Kyle, you are strikingly handsome, so you know what I mean?
Got to be some similarities
I think
there.
that's the first time I ever gave a man a compliment. That's only if other people think that you're cute. You know what I mean? Y'all, we look alike. Hey.
Don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up.
Okay, we got all the forming boards up. Everything's at the right elevation, set, ready to go. We have shoveled dirt around the outside to keep the concrete from slipping out from under our forms, making a big old mess. We got that contained. Now what we're going to do is put this 6 mil plastic down. And what that plastic is going to do is when we pour the concrete on top of this, it's going to keep the moisture from the ground from impermeating the concrete and making it have a wet surface. Now, for the moment we have all been waiting for. Are we going to remove all of this grass? The answer is no. I hate it. I hate to tell you this. We're not removing the grass because in the big scheme of things, the grass, when compressed, is thinner than this plastic because there's not much of this grass. And multiple years ago, we hauled actual high compaction fill dirt in here on this slab. So whenever we put the plastic down, we're going to put reinforcement wire down and the concrete is going to live right on top here. The next thing is going to be, why didn't you put rock down? There's no way you're going to get a secure base without putting rock down. Everybody knows that. Well, I got a news flash for you. If you put rock down, you'd be putting it on top of the same dirt. The concrete actually has rocks in it too. So I don't know. Is those rocks better than the other rocks? Or is it the fact that you'd actually put rock on the dirt and then ping it down and it's only that thick anyway? Oh, but you could put 4 inches of rock down. That would fix it. You're still putting it on top of the same dirt. So if you have a soft spot in your foundation, it's going to go. Whether you have rock or not, we're going to skip that part and go straight to the nuts and bolts.
Now, whenever we pour the slab for the house, we use the roll-up style of wire. And there's a few places in the house that even though the weight of the concrete held it down, it still popped through in a few places on the top of the concrete. So they had to go through and cut that off and try to fix it up the best that they could. And it just makes the finish look a little bit different. Then on the slab that we did in the front of the house, we just used a bunch of scrap metal that we had around here. Actually think it might have been your brother's for something that he might have needed it for, but it's okay. Well, he knows where to find it. But this time we opted to a smarter choice and we're using this wire that's flat. It kind of looks like cattle panel to me. What's the technical term? Do you want to help me out of that?
Reinforcement mats.
Reinforcement mats. So that's what we're going to be using this time. It's going to make the process go a lot quicker as well. Y'all know sometimes it feels like everything that could go wrong always ends up going wrong. The plans change, the weather doesn't cooperate, and nothing, and I mean nothing, seems to go our way like we intended it to. But I think that that's just life out here. And we've learned that the hard stuff, the frustrating stuff, it usually leads to the best rewards. We might live in just a little bit of chaos between the animals, the projects, and whatever else gets thrown at us. But honestly, I think that that's where we thrive. It really keeps us sharp, it keeps us grateful, and reminds us that no matter how wild life gets, we can always push through together. So if your day's been a little bit messy too, y'all hang in there. The good stuff's usually right on the other side of this hard part. And at the end of the day, whenever the dust settles and the work's done, we can look around and realize that this crazy, beautiful, chaotic life is exactly where we are meant to be.